Hey guys, it's Shaan, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Acer Spin 1. This is a 2-in-1 laptop. But before we go on and get started, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell notification icon to see exactly when I post a new video. But other than that, let's get started. So taking a look at the Acer Spin 1, the specs are an Intel Pentium N4200, Intel HD Graphics 505, 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB eMMC, a 13.3-inch 1080p touchscreen, 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. Now towards the top of the actual laptop you have the Acer logo, and on the back it has the fan. What is great not to have it on the bottom to not let it overheat. Towards the bottom itself you have the rubber feet and 2 stereo speakers. Now looking at the top and on the inside, it has a nice finish to the laptop. What makes it look really nice, it is a blue and black laptop, blue on the outside and black on the inside, and it has a 360-degree rotation where you could rotate the screen 360 degrees depending on what position you want to use it as a tablet or as a laptop, or for watching movies in different positions or YouTube videos like this one. Now the ports on the left side are the HDMI port, 1 USB 3.0 port, and 2 USB 2.0 ports with also a headphone jack. Towards the right side you have the power port, a power button, 2 light indicators with a volume up and down button, what is really cool to have on a laptop, and also a micro SD card slot. Now opening up the laptop, the first thing you guys will see is the 13.3-inch 1080p touchscreen, but right on top of that you have a 720p webcam with also an LED light to say if it's on. You also have a microphone right beside the Acer logo, and also a backlit keyboard with 3 modes: off, dim, and bright. Now this helps when you are in a dark room or just at night and you guys cannot see what keys you are typing on. You guys can turn on the backlit keyboard. It also has a touchpad to use, and it's quite big and accurate, what is nice to have with all the customizations of the gestures in Windows. Now the laptop also has a battery life of around 9 to 10 hours, what is really good and should be able to get through any work or school and just any videos that you guys are watching and all that, and browsing on the internet. It should be able to go through with a long enough battery life without having to charge it many times during the day. Now 9 to 10 hours lasts a long time, what is really good. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and turn on post notifications to see exactly when I post a new video. Also make sure you guys go ahead and comment on how you think I did and what I can improve on. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.